Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this question on surds. Now, if you look at it, it looks like trigonometry, but it's actually surds. Now, we have that sine 60 is the same thing as root 3 over 2, while cos 60 is the same thing as 1 over 2. Now, we have to evaluate 1 minus sine 60 over 1 plus cos 60. This will be the same thing as 1 minus root 3 over 2 all over 1 plus half. Now 1 minus root 3 over 2. Look at this. I'll take an LCM. That will be 2. 1 is the same thing as 1 over 1. 1 here also is the same thing as 1 over 1. 1 into, that's 2, times 1, that's 2, minus 2 into, that's 1, times root 3, that's root 3, all over. Here again, I'll take an LCM. That will also be what? 2. Now, 1 in 2, that's 2, times 1, that's 2, plus 2 in 2, that's 1, times 1, that's 1. So that this be 2 minus root 3 over 2, all over 3 over 2. Now, I can write this to mean 2 minus root 3 over 2 times 2 over 3. Because of the division, I've inverted it. So this will be 3. 2 here is 1. 2 here is 1. Which will be the same thing as 2 minus root 3 over 3. I hope you understand how I came about this. In case you have further questions, please do not hesitate to use the comment section. We'll be there to respond to you.